How to create a digital planner with hyperlinks using Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll break it down step by step on how you can build a digital planner with Canva and how you can actually add hyperlinks. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, the first and foremost step is choosing your size. I want a A4 size document. So I'm just going to open up a blank A4 size document and I'm just going to click on over here. Now, because this can be a little time consuming, I'm going to keep it only to the basics. So if you want to add more design elements, if you want to make it more stylized, that is totally your personal preference and you can go on ahead and proceed to do that. But I'm going to go with a basic design. I'm just going to search for journal on the right of my elements and I'm going to go into graphics over here. And I'm just going to take this simple page, I'll expand it over here. And what I am going to do is once I have this page, I'm going to color the background a different color like this. I'll take my journal page over here and place it like so. Or maybe I'll just go for A4 page just so it fits better. I'll go into the graphics section to take a page element like this one. So I'll just go for this one over here instead. Now, once I have my page, I'm going to expand it to almost the size of my document. Now, on the right side, I like to leave an empty spot. And now I'm going to go into text and I'll add some text. My monthly journal like this. And I will just capitalize all of the elements. Now, once you have capitalized your elements or stylized your elements, you can just place them over here. Now, on the right, you actually want to set out your particular months that you have. So you're going to go into elements and you can do this a few different ways. I like to do it with the elements and I like to go into elements and then click on shapes. I'll build one shape of a particular color. I'll just go with black for this one. And I'm going to resize it so it fits over here. So it just fits right on the edge. So once I have this, I'm going to copy these 12 of these. So because there are 12 months, I want 12 of these. That's why I like to go for a, smaller size. And to make this a whole lot more easier for me to write on later on, I like to go ahead and click on text, click on add heading, and I'll add my first text, which is going to be January, which is the first month. And I'm going to change the color of my text to white, like this. Once I've done that, I'm going to rotate my text to 90 degrees, and I'll place it right on over here. Now, once I've done both of these things, I can click on Command, like this, and I'm just going to move these over here, like this. Now, once I've done that, you can actually select both of these things. So if you proceed to select both of these and just click on group, this makes it a whole lot more easier. And then you can just copy and paste these 12 times. So now we're going to copy and paste these elements 12 times. Now we have 4, 8, and we're just going to move these a little like this. And you can space them evenly later on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I need 6 more. So now that we have more elements like this, I just need one more, like so. I can place these on the bottom as well just to make it easier, but I just like this personal style, so I can place it over here. Now, what you're going to do once you have placed all of the monthly elements or the names of all the months over here, we are just going to place these like this. Now, what you're going to do is you can change it to each individual month. This is going to represent February, so you're going to click on Ungroup, and then you can just click on the text over here, and then just click on Feb, and then proceed to the next one. Click on Ungroup, and then just click on March. Place March, or MAR, March, for representing March. Like this, you can make the text a bit smaller so it fits within the black boxes you have created. Now, once you've done that, you're going to do it for all of the elements. This is just a sample that I'm creating. So I'm just going to go on ahead and add only a couple. I'll just add 1, 2, 3 like these over here. And I'm just going to ungroup March and then April like so. And once you have added all of the months, I'll just keep it 4 months just so we can understand how to build this a bit better. Now, once you have done that, you're going to click on duplicate page and you're going to delete all of your style elements, or you can just go on ahead and click on add page and build your own page from scratch. I want this to be a simple page and I'm going to click on add text, add a heading. I'm going to add January. And then once I've done that, I'm going to insert a simple little box. So to do that, I can click on insert, and what I can do is I can actually insert a few cells. So we're going to actually search for a table in the element section, and you have a few different graphics for this, but what you're going to search for, if you can find it, is to actually be able to go on ahead and insert a proper table according to the number of elements that you will have in a week. So you can scroll down into the element section and you'll find tables, and you can enter a empty table. Now once you enter an empty table, this allows you to add as many columns as you want. So what you're going to do is you can click on the entirety of your table, and then from here you can go on ahead and edit it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the table over here. We have the table style, spacing, and the backgrounds. Now for us, I need to add 7 columns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. I don't need a row, so I'm going to delete a row, but I'm going to have 7 columns like this. And I'll just make my page a little bigger so it's easier to view everything that I have in this page. I'll just place this like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I just need 1 more column for this to be 7 columns. Now I'm going to place this over here, expand the size of this, and then I can enter all of the dates. Below that I can build a note section or a writing section, and then from here you can just click on duplicate page and duplicate this as many months you have. So this is January. Next I'll keep Feb. Next I'll have March, and next I have April. So we're going to add that. Now, one additional thing I like to do is I like to go into the grid view on the bottom right, and I like to click on add page. And what I can do is I'll open up this particular page and I'll just go into elements, add the same page, click on text, and then click on notes. This can just be one section where people can write their notes, and it's just a really nice section to add. Once I've added that, I like to go back into my view and just place this between every single page. Just duplicate this page, and between every month, you're just going to place the notes page. And this is really easy to do on the grid view. That's why I just do it over here. So I'm just going to click on paste, or I'm just going to click on copy and then duplicate page, and then just placing this after every particular month that we have. Once we have completed our elements, now we can just click on this section. And then in the grouped version, you won't find the option to hyperlink. So that is why you have to ungroup these. Once you have ungrouped these, just click on the text or the box. It really doesn't make a difference because when you click on that area, it just leads you to the hyperlink. You're going to click on that area and you can go on ahead and click on these 3 dots over here. Click on link over here, and link this to the particular month. So our January page is the 2nd page, and I'll click on done. Then on the February one, I'm going to click on text, click on link, and click on 4. Click on done over here. Then go into the March page, click on our linking option, and then go on ahead and link it to the 6th one, and then April. Now, once we have completed all of our links, we can click on share and click on download, and then you're going to never ever download this as a PNG. It loses all point, but always download as a PDF standard. Click on download over here, and I'm going to open up my download to show you guys our now hyperlinked or clickable journal. So if I click on January, it leads me to January. If I click on March, it leads me to March. If I click on April, it opens up April. So just like that, you can build your own clickable journal on Canva. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.